Good morning, kindergarten. Miss Murphy here. I'm going to be teaching you your phonics lesson today. I'm so excited. We're going to get started by doing an activity where I'm going to say a word, and then you're going to repeat it back to me, and then you're going to isolate just the ending or final sound. Okay, so let's practice that one together. I say the word wait, then you say wait. Then you would say t, because t is the final sound in wait. If it helps, you can use your arm and stretch out the word. The final sound is going to be at the palm, right? Because it's at the end. So you can say wait. That's a trick that helps me sometimes when it's hard to hear the final sound. Ready to get started? So excited to see all of you grow your brains today. All right, ready? Stale. Stale. Ending sound? Nice. Confuse. What's the ending sound? Z, z, right? Confuse. All right, ready? Believe. Ending sound? Believe. The ending sound is z, z. Nice. One more, ready? Smog. Ending sound? G, g. Fabulous. All right, let's keep on moving. So now I'm going to tell you a word. You're going to repeat it, and then I'm going to tell you what part of it not to say, right? So we're going to delete part of the word, and you're going to say what's left over. Let's practice this one together too. Ready? Okay, so if I say the word sleep, you say sleep, and then I say don't say soul, and then you would say eep, because that's what's left over, right? Okay, it's tricky, but I know you can do it. Listen carefully. Ready? Flight. Now don't say don't say fool. Ite, right? Fool, ite. When we take away fool, we have ite. It's tricky, but you got this. Plane. Now don't say pool. Make sure you're saying it out loud. It helps you practice. Ain is left over, right? Blade. Now don't say bull. You got it. Aid is left over. One more, ready? Sleep. Now don't say soul. Eep. Nice. You guys are crushing it. Okay, one more activity, and then we're going to get started with our letter review. So now, instead of taking away the beginning sound, you are going to switch it out for a different sound. Let's practice one together. Ready? So if I say the word new, you're going to repeat after me. New. And then I'll say, instead of n, say bull. And then you would say blue, right? You gotta listen very carefully. Try to picture some of the sounds in your head. And if you want to stretch out the words to help you, you can do that. Ready? Room. Change to bull. You got it. Bloom. Nice job. Make sure you're saying this out loud. It helps you practice. Some. Change to pool. Plum. Nice job. Bow. Change b to soul. Slow. Nice. One more. You've got this, kindergarten. Everybody put your thinking brain on. Get ready. Down. Change d to cool. Cool. Clown. Nice job. You guys are rocking it. That hopefully got your brains warmed up because we are going to get right in to our phonics lesson. Check it out. So it's Wednesday, May 13th. Today is week 26, day 3. We are just cruising. All right, so our goal today says I can identify the middle short vowel sound in CVC words, right? So we're looking at our 3-letter words and we're focusing on that middle sound that's a vowel. Okay, ready? I'm going to put letters on the screen. You're going to say the letter sound as quick as you can. Ah, eh, 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 eh. Make sure I can hear you. Ah, ah, ah. Nice job. Keep it up. J, j. Yeah, yeah. Qu, qu. Nice job. QU together says qu. Great. So we're going to review some sight words. Go ahead and say the word out loud. The word is was, right? Let's say it, spell it, say it to practice. Ready? Was. W-A-S. Was. Remember, we practice our sight words because the letters in our sight words don't make the sounds we're expecting. Let's try another one. Remember this one? Or. So we're going to say it spelled tight. Ready? Or. O-R. Or. Fabulous. All right. So today we are going to be focusing on those vowel sounds in the middle of our words, right? So here are all of our vowels, A, E, I, O, and U. They're the ones that are on the blue cards. And we know vowels are special because every word has at least one vowel, right? So we need them. Today, we're going to be focusing on the vowel U that we're going to hear in the middle of our CVC words, right? So what sound does U make? Like in up. Yep. So we're going to be listening really close for that sound today and building words with that sound. First, we're going to introduce a new sight word. Check it out. This word is for, like in the sentence, thank you for helping me. Let's practice this word by saying it, spelling it, saying it 3 times. Okay, ready? Get your Skywriter ready because we're going to also write the letters as we spell so that we really get it into our brain. For, F-O-R, for. Again, ready? For, F-O-R, for. Make sure you're spelling it out loud with me and using your writing tool to write in the air, okay? For, F-O-R, for. Nice job. Remember, this is a sight word kind of like or, right? We see the word or inside this word. And this one is a sight word that we have to remember because the O doesn't make the sound that we're used to it making, right? So we remember this word so that every time we see it, we can just say, for. I know that one. Great. Okay, so we're going to tap out some words now. Ms. Murphy is going to build words on her magnet board, and then our job is to tap it out and then blend it to say the word. Are you ready? I know you've got this. Tap it out. Id, kid. Now you go. Ready? I'm going to build a new word. Yep, I heard ob, cob. Nice job. One more. Are you ready? When you see the word, tap it out, say the word, and then we'll go over it together. Your turn. Did you say mud? Nice job. I see we have our U sound in here, our short vowel U, making the sound in mud. All right, so now we're going to do it backwards. We're going to find and build, right? So we're going to look at our magnet board again, and I'm going to ask you first to find some letters that make sounds, and then we're going to build some words by using those letter sounds, okay? Let's get started. I want you to find and point to the letter that says point on your screen. I found it. Yep, the letter U says Notice on this board the vowels are pink instead of blue. Ready? Find the letter that says point to it. A, nice. Find the letter that says S, S. Point to your screen. Yep, letter S says S. One more, ready? Find the letter that says G, G, G. Nice, letter G says G. All right, now we're gonna build some words, ready? So the first word I want us to build is sub. Say sub. Sub. Let's tap it out, ready? Sub. Now that we've tapped it out, we can start to spell it. So S, U, B, B, D. Fabulous. Let's tap it out and blend it to make sure we've got the right word. Sub. Fabulous. Next word, ready? Your word is rub. Say it with me. Rub. Rub. Let's tap it out so that we can find our letters. Rub. Rub. R. R, right? You're going to tell me the letter. R, U, B, B, D. Nice job. Let's tap it out to check it. Rub. Rub. We got it. We spelled the right word. Last one. Ready? Nut. Say with me. Nut. You need to stretch it out. Nut. Tap it out. Nut. Nut. The first letter is N. And nice, let me hear you saying the letters out loud. We're going to spell it together. N, U, T, 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 right? N-U-T, nut. Makes nut. Fabulous job. I notice that you're really working hard to tap out each individual sound, and that's helping you hear how to spell our words. We also were using our short U sound in the middle here. All right, we are all ready to do our phonics workbook. So right now, pause the video if you don't have your phonics journal in front of you and a pencil to write with. And when you have your materials, come on back and hit play. Great, so we are on week 26, day 3. Go ahead and find this page in your journal. If you need an extra second to find it, please pause the video and then come back when you're ready. All right, so we're gonna get started by practicing our letter B, B bag B. So up on this top line, we have our uppercase B. Go ahead and take your pencil and put it on the top line. Trace down to the baseline. Don't lift your pencil, go back up to the top line. Curve forward to the dash line. Forward again down to the baseline lift. What sound does that letter make? B, B, B. Go ahead and practice 2 more capital B's. All right, I'll do the first one with you. Top line, dash line, back up to the top line, curve forward to the dash line, curve forward down to the baseline, lift. What sound does that letter make? B, B. Go ahead and make 1 more capital B. If you want extra time to work on your capital B, you can pause the video. All right, we're gonna move on to the bottom line here. I see some lowercase b's, but they make the same sound, right? Because it's the same letter. Go ahead and take your pencil and put it on the top line. We're gonna trace this first gray B. And trace down to the baseline. Don't lift your pencil. Back up to the dash line, curve forward, down, around, back to the baseline lift. What sound does that letter make? B, B, B. All right, again, top line, down to the baseline. Oh, my goodness. Back up to the dash line, curve forward, down, around to the baseline lift. What sound does that letter make? B, B. Go ahead and practice a few more lowercase b's and then unpause the video when you're ready to move on. Remember that the B faces this way, right? We should see the loop coming out forward, not backwards, because that would be a D if we did it that way. All right, so now we're going to do our next activity. Down the page, it says match the picture to the word. Great, so we're gonna tap out some words and then we're gonna draw a line to the picture that shows that word. I know you're really good at this. So let's start with our first word on the list here. Ready? Get your tapping fingers ready and tap it out with me. Id, kid. Do you see a picture of a kid? Yeah, go ahead and draw a line from the kid to the word that says kid. Now you try to tap out this next one. We'll practice together. Ab, cab. A cab is another word for a taxi, which is like a car that takes people places. Go ahead and draw a line to the cab. All right, now I want you to tap out this word on your own, right? So we have our k, t. Go ahead and tap it out, blend it together, and find a picture that shows what that word says, and draw your line. You got this. I know you can tap it out. Fabulous. When you're ready, move on to this last word. Tap it out and find the picture that shows this word. I know you can do it. Fabulous. We're going to move to the next page. If you need time to, or we're going to move to the bottom of the page. If you need time to finish this one, you can take your time and pause. Okay, we're going to do some more tapping out. Ready? So check out our first word that my mouse is circling. Let's tap it out together. K, it, kit. Nice. Let's go to the one right below it. K, ob, cob. I notice that sometimes we use K and sometimes we use C, and they make the same sound in this case, right? K and K. Check out this word right here. K, can. Nice. Right below, tap it out with me. K, ot, cot. Nice. Up here, ready? I see our short U in the middle. K, cub. Nice. One more word. Tap it out with me. Let me hear you and see your tapping fingers. K, cab. Fabulous job. We are going to move to the next page. So you should just be able to turn the page and you'll be there. Okay, this page says write the middle sound. So you're going to write the letter that just says the middle sound. You don't need to write the whole word unless you really want to, which that would be okay. Okay, so the middle sound, ready? Here's a picture of corn on the cob. So our word is cob. Say cob. Get out your roller coaster hand, ready? Cob. I hear the sound up here. What letter makes the sound ah? Oh, fabulous. So I'm going to write the letter O because that is my middle sound, right? I'm going to make a lowercase O because it's in the middle of the word. Nice. Okay, check it out. We have a picture of a cap, right? A cap is another word for a hat, or we could call it a hat because it has the same middle sound. Okay, tap it out. Ready? Cap. If it helps you hear the middle sound, let's use our roller coaster hand. Cap. What do you hear up here? Ah. Nice job. Now, what letter makes that sound? Ah. You got it. A makes that sound. I'm going to write my lowercase a. You write yours too. Now I see a picture of a cup. Say cup. Cup. All right, get your roller coaster hand out. Cup. Cup. What is our middle sound in cup? What letter makes that sound? You got it. U up, right? I'm going to write our lowercase u. Remember, this letter is our focus today. So we hear that short U sound in the middle of cup. The last one I'm going to have you do all on your own, right? This is a picture of a cat. Use your roller coaster or tap it out to find that middle sound and write the letter. You've got this. When you're all done, you're going to ask someone at home to take a picture of your completed worksheets because your teacher wants to see all the hard work that you did and check out how your letters and your sounds are going, okay? So ask someone at home if there's someone there to take a picture of your work and text it to your teacher. That's all I have for you today, kindergarten. I hope you had as much fun as I did learning phonics and working on our short U sound. I will see you next time. Have a great day.